Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Microsoft To Do to plan out your day. To begin, we're going to go right here to to-do 2-do.office.com. From here, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this tab. As you can see, we have 5 most important things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My day, important, planned, assigned to me, and tasks. To begin, we're going to go to my day, which is today, Thursday. I'm going to add a task and I call it 100 push-ups. We added this task. Now, we can star it and it will go to important. You generally want to put things that are important to you right here. For example, collect paycheck, pay your bills, pay your rent, etc. Buy groceries. And down here in my day, you can do general things like your 100 push-ups. So this is not very important. Let's do collect bill, and we're gonna start this. From here, if we go to planned, we can do add a task, meet up with friends. I wrote that wrong. And we're gonna press on it one more time, and we're gonna do date next week. And we want to add a reminder for next week. So it will remind us next week on Monday, February the 13th, that we have to go out with friends on Monday, February the 13th. Now we can press on repeat, meaning we will do this monthly. And category, we can do yellow category, for instance. Now, alongside this, we can add a note to this, have fun, and a file. Now, the file isn't really important as it isn't anything. Let's say we add this, and we're gonna do hide detail view. From here, as you can see, we have our thing for next week. Now, once you've completed it, it'll do a little tick, and let me hide this once more. And task right here, as you can see, this will show all tasks. However, up here, as you can see what's new in the app. But generally, these 5 are the most important because these are how you can manage it. Now, if you are doing Microsoft To Do with a company or anything, here, tasks that will be assigned to you with the company will be shown here. Now, let's say we want to add a category. We're going to press new list. We're going to call it projects. And in projects, right here, we're going to add the projects we have for the school year. Let's do, for instance, we're going to do math project, science, English, and all that stuff. Then let's say we completed this. Then that's it, we've completed them. Now, here, there are other Microsoft apps, but we'll get to that in later videos. Also, if you press on your profile, you should be able to log in. Now, you can share your list with other people, but generally we just want to go to my day, which shows the most important things. Anyways, that is Microsoft To Do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.